Joy's Beauty World. Today I'll be showing you how you can make your organic oil, that is organic home scrub. Because a lot of people have this problem of I'm having reaction with my skin. I've tried this, I've tried that, it's not working for me. So I felt I should just give you a little tips. But before I do that, I'll be doing this on my YouTube channel. So please, I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel, Keeping Up with Joy's Beauty World, Keeping Up with Joy's Beauty World, because I'll be showing on that platform. Starting from tomorrow, I want you to subscribe, I want you to share, I want you to like and give me a thumbs up. You understand? Because I will be making a lot of production live and direct from the YouTube channel, Keeping Up with Joy's Beauty World. So that is the name of the YouTube channel. Well, today I'll be making herbal scrub. That is organic, homemade herbal scrub. Organic. You know what I mean by organic? Everything has to be organic. There is no chemical attached to it. But this one I'm preparing is something you can do it yourself at home and use it on your skin, and you see how radiant your skin will look like. Well, because I'm using the camera facing down, so you might not be able to see my face, but don't worry, we are talking. If you have any question, you can ask me, then I'll be able to direct you. Well, I have about let me see, 1 2 3 4 5. I have about 5 ingredients for making herbal scrub. So if you want to come on live, well, you can send a request. Then if you don't want, there's no problem. Or if you want to ask me a question through my phone, I'm going to give you my phone number right now. You can call me on WhatsApp, only with WhatsApp call on 080 5754 7300. I promise you guys that I will be showing you how you can do your natural therapy at home to be able to have a smooth, shining, and a beautiful skin. So today's scrub will be for smoothing the skin. If you have a dry skin, then you have been using all kinds of cream, it doesn't work. Don't worry, this platform will help you to have a very sweet, flawless, and a beautiful skin. So I have here 5 ingredients. I'm going to mention one after the other. So you can see here, I have here super lightening cream. This is my product. So already is a super lightening cream, Joy's Herbal Organic Homemade Super Lightening Cream. So already I have my cream here, so I don't want to go through the headache of, okay, let me start from the base. That will take us almost about 3 to 4 hours. So I'm going to use my already made cream right now, Joy's Herbal Lightening Cream. So I'm going to combine it because already this one is to lighten your skin, but my main aim today is to make your skin lighten and smooth. You see a lot of people that they have a light skin, but their skin is not looking smooth. So I already take some quantity into this cup. So now I'm gonna add, okay, let me just mention what and what. So you're gonna get your cream, then you have lemon, half lemon. Then I have here with me my liquid soap, Joy's Herbal liquid soap. Let me turn it this way so you can see very well. You see, Joy's Herbal liquid soap. So this soap is combination of turmeric basically and some other ingredients. So I'm going to use this one to add it up with my scrub. Then I'm going to add up with honey. It could be any kind of honey, but if you can get the original honey, I think it's better. So I'm going to add it up with honey. Then I'm going to add it up with sugar. Could be any kind of sugar. You can use brown sugar, you can use white sugar. So this one is white sugar, so you can see it. So white sugar is what I'm using now, granulated sugar. So we are going to, sorry, the network is just going up and down. I don't know what is happening to it. Yeah, you're welcome. Let me say. Okay, welcome. So right now I'm going to measure. So I already added the cream. So I'm going to add sugar to it and honey. So I'm adding some honey now. So I will add up a little bit of my liquid soap. Then I'll add it a little bit of, lime. Just like half teaspoon. Then I'll mix all. I'll mix all together. See how it looks like? It's creamy. You know, there's some scrub that is a bit creamy on the face, because this one has to be face scrub. There's a difference between the face and the body scrub. So I will add up some sugar. Sorry, let me take a spoon. So with this quantity, I'm going to add up, like, let's say 2 spoons of sugar first. 2 spoons of granulated sugar. Then I'll mix it. You see? Very simple. But not all that simple. It's just because I'm using my already made cream. So that's why it looks simple. So looking at it, you see? It looks a bit sticky. So I'm going to put it on my skin. Then I will scrub it. You see, it's giving me that foaming sensation just because of the liquid soap I've added to it. So if you're having a dark knuckles, this will help. You just make sure you scrub your knuckles very well. So, okay, you're welcome back. So it's about 10 minutes now. So you can see, using it to scrub your face, your full body. Then if you have acne, this formula to also help for people with severe acne, because you're going to exfoliate your face, your full body. Like I said, if your skin is looking very dry, you can use that to scrub it. Let me see what upside. So I'm going to wash my hand now. Sorry, where I'm sitting down. Wow, I could feel the smoothness of my hand. You see? Can feel. So let me clean my hand. So I'm done now. You can see it makes your skin very smooth. So now I'm going to use the main cream, the lightening cream. I'm going to use that as my hand cream right now, because this is what I use to avoid having dark knuckles. You know, people with dark knuckles. But if you use this particular product, it will help you to treat dark knuckles, dark elbow, dark knee. So I'll take small quantity, just small. Then use it to massage your hand. So you can feel that smoothness. Wow. See? All right. So that's what I'll be running up today on Joy's Beauty Wall. So remember, we have a lot of products. If you get this product, you don't need to go through any kind of stress. You can use this as a body cream. You can use it as a scrub. Just take a little quantity, add up honey, sugar, liquid soap, lemon. Just add a little bit of lemon to it. Believe me, you see your skin will come out looking very, very beautiful. So those are the two ingredients you need to make your